Hello, boys and girls. It's nice to see you again. I have our story that we read together, Like a Windy Day. We read it during our morning meeting last week, but I wanted to share it one more time with you. By Frank Asch and Devin Asch. I want to play like a windy day. I want to zoom down the hillside. And through the streets. I want to scatter seeds, turn windmills, fly kites, wave flags, and snap wet sheets. I want to play like a windy day. She's up in the airplane. I want to lift birds and butterflies in the sky. I want to steal hats, drive clouds and rain, sailboats, and make umbrellas fly. I want to play like a windy day. I want to shake the dew from a spider's web and help her baby soar. So you can see the spider soaring up. I want to blow through green grasses and crash big blue waves on the shore. I want to play like a windy day. See the wind? And fly with the leaves from the trees. I want to play like a windy day until I become a gentle breeze. A short story for us today, but just wanted you to hear that story again and get your imagination running about all the times you've played in the wind at the park. Maybe it's blown your kite up into the air, or maybe it's blown your umbrella away, or maybe the wind has just become very annoying and it keeps blowing the blanket up or your toys away. Maybe you've been at the beach before and the wind has taken your beach umbrella or your bucket or your ball or even your inflatable unicorn. Has the wind ever blown that away from you? Sometimes the wind feels so good and so refreshing and cools us on a hot day. But sometimes the wind feels annoying and cold, and it's what's stopping us from having fun. It's always interesting to think about how the wind affects our day. All right, friends, bye. I'll see you next time for another story.